Hey everyone, so this video is the fragrances of the week video. I talk about the fragrances I've been wearing this week, go through the notes and a little bit, a very brief description I guess, about my experience with the perfumes. If you've ever got any questions or anything more that you'd like to know, please leave a comment down below with any questions or any requests for more detailed reviews about the individual scents. So let's get started with the first scent. All of the fragrances this week are from Maison Margiela and they're the replica scents. The first of which is On a Date. So On a Date is the newest one to my collection and it's the newest release from this particular range. As far as the notes go for On a Date, you've got top notes of blackcurrant syrup, pink pepper and bergamot, middle notes of geranium, davana and rose, and base notes of patchouli, moss, vetiver and musk. So with this particular perfume, I've had some very different experiences whilst wearing it, and if you are interested in this one, stay tuned for later this week because there will be more detailed review on the On a Date perfume, giving away a little bit of a spoiler there. But with this one, I definitely get the black currant. I do get that slightly floral note to it and the patchouli, but depending on how I wear it and where I wear it, I get anything from a more masculine scent to a more feminine scent. It's very interesting. But yeah, if you're wanting to know more about this one in particular, there is actually a video specifically about this one coming up later this week. So stay tuned for that. The next fragrance from this week is Coffee Break. So this is a really popular one as well. The notes for Coffee Break are top notes of orange blossom, patchouli and pepper. Middle notes of tonka bean, milk, coffee, lavender, benzoin, cypress oil. And the base notes are vanilla, cedar and vetiver. So as far as my experience with Coffee Break, I think so far, Coffee Break is my favourite of the scents. It has a feeling of the Body Shop Shea range and Rochas Man, that kind of soft, creamy, milky. I think it's the lavender as well in there. The coffee just makes it really nice and inviting and comforting. My husband also liked this one too. I think it is unisex, but on me it smells feminine, which is nice, but I can definitely see this working as a unisex fragrance. I really enjoy this one. It smells good on paper too, which not all fragrances do, but this one, it's described as being creamy and cozy coffee, and that definitely encapsulates what this is in a very quick summary. The third scent is Bubble Bath. So I've only got a travel size for this one, and I've done that with a few of the range, just because I wasn't sure exactly how I would like them and how they would react on my skin. But the notes for Bubble Bath are top notes of soap and bergamot, middle notes of rose, jasmine and lavender, and base notes of coconut, patchouli and white musk. So they describe Bubble Bath as being comforting, clean accords, and it kind of does have that fresh bed sheets, fresh towels, fluffy linens, those kind of notes to it. It is quite soapy. I found it to be nice, but it wasn't my favourite. There's a few things that I've smelt that smell similar to this. So you've got just the clean linen kind of fragrances. It's nice for somebody who wants something soft, something easy to wear, that clean skin kind of fragrance, that soapiness to it. It is nice, but it's probably not one I'll reach for a lot compared to the others. The second last fragrance for this week is Matcha Meditation. So this one, I love tea fragrances, and I was excited to try this one, but my experience was kind of like Bubble Bath. It didn't blow my socks off, but I liked it and it's nice enough. I'm glad to have it in my collection, but yeah, it wasn't Well, I mean, it is what it is. As far as the notes go, you've got the top notes being green tea, bergamot and mandarin orange. Middle notes of orange blossom, matcha tea, mate and jasmine. And base notes of moss, cedar and white chocolate. So yeah, you definitely smell the green tea. It's very aromatic as far as the tea goes. So it's not that black tea kind of fragrance. It's that uplifting, matcha, mate, green tea, that very green, bright scent to it. Almost herbal or vegetal in a way, that really greenness to it. The bergamot, the orange, it's citrusy. The orange blossom, it pulls up that citrus, that really bright scent as well. It's a rather clean fragrance again. If you like green tea scents, definitely give this one a go. It's just a nice soft green tea fragrance. And the last one, but definitely not the least favourite. This is a favourite of so many people, and I get it, but it's probably not up there with my most favourite of the range. If you haven't guessed already, this one is By the Fireplace. So By the Fireplace, you've got notes of top notes being pink pepper, orange blossom and cloves, heart notes or middle notes of guaiac wood, juniper and chestnut, and the base notes of Peru balsam, cashmeran and vanilla. So the way they describe it is burning wood and chestnut. And I definitely get the nuttiness to it. I get that almost smoky, woody scent, that earthy fireplace smell. I can see why a lot of people like it. It's definitely unisex. I think anybody could wear this. It's just, you're going to have to like it because it's quite a lot. I did find this one to be actually quite strong on me, and it did come through and project quite a lot. It doesn't last a whole long time on my skin, but on clothing definitely lasted longer. It's nice, it's just not an everyday kind of a scent or an easy wear for me. So I can appreciate it, but yeah, I'm happy with this one. Let me know if you'd be interested in a review on all of the ones that I own, or specific videos just on each fragrance too. Just however you would like it, let me know and I'll see what I can work out. So that was my fragrances of the week. I hope you enjoyed it. Like always, if you have any questions, please leave them down below. If you've tried any of these fragrances, I'd also love to hear your experience, because that's half of the fun for me, is not just sharing my experiences, but reading and hearing your experiences with the fragrances, what you liked, what you didn't like, because I think it opens up my appreciation for fragrance even more. And I just have fun reading comments about people's experience with fragrance, because it's just so different. But yeah, it's fun because it's not always the same. So I really do appreciate it when you leave the comments and letting me know. If you've tried any of them, do let me know. Again, any questions, any requests for particular videos, leave them in the comments below. Like always, I hope you're all having a fantastic afternoon, morning or evening, whatever it may be, wherever you are. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.